Once upon a time, in a lively neighborhood filled with colorful houses and friendly neighbors, there lived a curious boy named Zayan. He had a heart full of escapades waiting to be discovered. Zayan's hair was as black as the night sky, and his eyes sparkled with excitement. One afternoon, as Zayan was playing in his garden, he heard a soft meowing sound. Curious, he followed the sound to the edge of his garden, where he found an adorable orange stray cat. The cat's fur looked like a warm sunset, and its eyes matched the color of honey. "Hello there," Zayan said gently to the cat. "Do you want to play?" The cat meowed in reply and rubbed against Zayan's leg. Zayan named the cat Sunny. Sunny had a special knack for cheering Zayan up whenever he was feeling down. On rainy days, when Zayan couldn't play outside, Sunny would curl up in his lap, purring softly until Zayan fell asleep. It was as if Sunny knew exactly how to make everything better. Zayan learned many valuable lessons from Sunny. He learned about gentleness, thoughtful, and the importance of care and friendship. Sunny taught Zayan that sometimes the simplest moments with a friend can bring the greatest joy. One day, as the sun began to set and painted the sky with strokes of orange and pink, Zayan and Sunny sat on the porch together. Zayan whispered his dreams of what he'd like to do when he grows up, and Sunny listened intently as the stars appeared one by one. Zayan felt grateful for his orange stray cat, who had become his confidant. And so, under the watchful eyes of the twinkling stars, Zayan and Sunny enjoyed together, planning of tomorrow's exploration.